How did he manage to marry such a beautiful woman? Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use manage to do something. We use manage to do something to mean someone was able to do something, but with difficulty. I ran and managed to catch my train. It was really busy, but we managed to find a parking space. The man wasn't paying attention walking across the street. Luckily, the car managed to stop. The job market was very competitive, but Lisa managed to find a good job. It wasn't easy, but Maria managed to lose a lot of weight. How did he manage to marry such a beautiful woman? Give it a go. Have you managed to do something recently? Let us know in the comments below. Unlimited English classes. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.